The area's finest new and used cars, brought to you by Arnie Bauer Buick GMC Cadillac in the Matteson Auto Mall and ArnieBauer.com.
Your daughter has more power at Arnie Bauer.
This could be the vehicle you're looking for. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include auto-dimming mirrors, an alarm system, keyless entry, rain-sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find internet connectivity, heated steering wheel, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a DVD system. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.